This is our code. It was coded in Python using Visual Studio Code, and it largely consists of the two files you see before you. While I'm talking, I'm going to go ahead and click play so that this can initialize and we can watch the video later on, as it takes a while to set up. Throughout this code, it's largely as stated in the presentation previously. This is the line to get our weights. This is where our weights are loaded. This is the source video location and the output video location line. This while loop is responsible for cycling through the frames of the source video and drawing the boxes. This code right here is responsible for detecting the objects and using TensorFlow and thresholding them. Right down here, this is resizing the boxes and placing additional information on the screen. And this here closes everything once it is done executing. Setup functions is used as a configuration file. It houses the functions as well as loads the YOLO classifier. As you can see, the code has begun executing on the bottom, and relevant information about objects being found in the video is being displayed. And also, this window here is now available to view of the video processing in action. You can see frame by frame each object that is being detected by the software, and in the top left you can see the counter working, and we have it set right now to be individually counting each different class of objects at once. So I'll let this run through and then I will show you the finished version. Alright, the code is now done, and you can see that it outputs done and where the file has been saved to in the console. If we want to take a quick look at the information that was being printed out during that, we can. So it prints out the number of objects that were detected and what class they were, but it also prints out the location and name of each individual object that was found, as well as its confidence level. Here is the file that the video was saved to, and you can see that we have several videos in here already, but if we want to watch the one that we just processed, we can. And as you can see, the clip itself is actually only a couple seconds long. It's an important thing to note that in our code we don't use our graphics card, which would be possible to speed up the entire process. But because we only rely on our CPU, the entire process of analyzing that 1 10-second clip takes about 3 or 4 minutes, which is a rather long time.